everybody, it's me Amber. Today on my YouTube channel we're going to be making cookies for Santa because my elf bought my Christmas Eve box. It's right out there, but we're not going out there because we're staying in the kitchen to bake. And this is what he bought us. Cookies. And then he got me a milk cup. He got me the plate we always have. And also we got the key out there for Santa since we don't have a chimney. And we start baking. We'll turn the oven on, turn both of them to the bottom. Now we wait for it to warm up, and then we have bacon over here. So we've got the mixture open, but you always see there's a bag inside, but this time there's not a bag inside. So can you feel the chocolate chips? So we're gonna pour this mixture into the bowl. Ready? Yep. So now we've poured the mixture in. What should we do next, Remy?
The water.
The water? This is not much.
Not much at all, is there?
No.
And then mix, mix, mix.
So, we're gonna make these into balls. Then we're gonna put them on the tray, slide them into the oven, and then we're gonna put them on the plate, and then we're gonna wait for them to cool down, and then we're gonna put the milk in. And I'm excited for Santa to come.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Just take the spoon out. You should take the spoon out, Mama?
Yep.
Okay.
What does it feel like?
So now we're gonna put them in the oven. Look, they said we can make 8, but we were doing them too big, so now we can make 8. So they're like medium size. Amazon. Make sure you ask for you to put them in, because it is very dangerous. My hands are very floppy, you can see. Oh! Yeah.
Do you want me to do it?
Yes, my mum's gonna do it. We're gonna wait for 10 minutes. See you back in 10 minutes. Now my mummy is gonna take them out since the thing beeps,